Every release should be something your end customer can use and improves the product. Traditional or waterfall projects often plan releases based on technology or architectural components. Agile release planning makes sure to focus on the end customer, such that each release is something that matters to the customer and the organizational strategy. In Agile, release planning is driven by the product owner with a focus on increments of value to the customer. Feasibility and technical constraints are also part of the dialogue, but are not the driver of an Agile release plan. Think about increments of value like pieces that are fully usable to meet the goal. They're not parts that are unusable to the user. Each release should be considered valuable to the user from their point of view. I like the analogy of a piece of cake. Picture a cake with many layers. If each layer is a component of the architecture of the product, a piece of cake goes all the way through each layer to give the person eating it a full experience that is valuable and satisfying. Agile release planning and user stories are no different. Each increment of value needs to be a full experience that satisfies, not a part of it. We plan releases in sprints with this guiding principle in mind. Inputs to the release plan include product vision, product roadmap, dialogues with technical leads and vendors about feasibility, constraints, and architectural considerations. The product owner's role in this dialogue is to ensure that the value to the user is delivered from the user's perspective and aligned to the vision, not necessarily an architectural technical perspective. Building the release plan means chunking out the roadmap into smaller pieces of incremental value. Let's go back to that Go Health Fitness Club example. The first part of our roadmap included a high-level feature of logging in and then connecting to the club, as well as viewing schedules. With the Go Health app, here's how I have broken it down, the Q1 roadmap from release to start. Take a moment and look at the release plan. Release 1 is all about logging in and connecting to the club. It includes downloading the app, creating a login, connecting to the location, and getting basic club information. Release 2 and 3 are focused on viewing schedules, where the release plan chunks out the viewing of schedules into usable pieces of value by slicing through the view schedules functionality into pieces based on location, class type, instructor, and free versus fee-based classes. Check out their exercise files for more details. Notice how this release plan is not organized by technical capability, component, or application that is impacted. It's organized by what the product owner is seeing is the value to the customer. The product owner's role is to keep this lens in front of the team. Even when the team wants to organize work differently, another part of being the product owner and being agile is being comfortable changing the release plan if needed. This is not set in stone, of course. Not the dates nor the features. This is the plan at this point in time and may change as strategy, circumstances, internal factors, external factors, and learnings have evolved. The release plan helps keep the team focused and plan iterations to deliver value. Keep your release plan up to date and aligned to the user, product vision, and roadmap. Most importantly, collaborate with the team to keep the customer and the value drivers in front of them.